Welcome back to Enlighten Me. This is an after-the-fact unboxing video from my DeWalt XR circular saw and impact driver. If this is your first time here, I just wanted to thank you for stopping by. Enlighten Me is a how-to, solutions, and advice channel, and I would really appreciate a subscribe because I've got lots of upcoming content for you over the next few weeks. And so with that, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. All right, I'm going to start with opening the circular saw. Here we go. Here's the actual tool itself. Brushless motor, XR. Feels pretty sturdy in my hands. Also in the box is the 7 1/4 saw, the blade, sorry. So I'm going to have to, looks like I'm going to have to install this on my own, which is fine. That should be an adventure. From what I can tell, that is all. Doesn't look like there's anything else in there. So here's the 5-hour XR battery for the saw. Thought I would save a little bit of money just buying it separate. And also, the impact driver has the charger and the battery with it. And so I thought there's no sense buying two chargers. I'm not a contractor, so there's no sense in that situation, you know. Here. Okay. And you know, I went with DeWalt just because it seemed it was kind of between DeWalt, Makita, and Milwaukee, you know, kind of the big ones. So I thought DeWalt seemed to get universal good reviews. A little extra. Very important instruction manual. And then we've got charger. We have battery, same deal, 5-hour. And then here is the actual impact driver itself. And I went with an impact driver because experienced guys said you're going to need an impact driver because it's designed just to drill screws in. And directly. It feels really good in my hand. It feels very lightweight. So our brushless motor was also very important. Also, what came in the bag was this. I think it's a clip of some kind. Some type of a bracket. So maybe this is something that you use to hook it onto. The impact driver came in here. And the other thing in here was, of course, our friend silica gel. So that's all.